MaterialSilicone. BrandMOBI. Color red. ShapeRectangular. Special feature dishwasher safe. Product dimensions 8.25 dx 11.25 w by 0.25 h. Make snack time more fun with mini hot-dog-shaped treats. Bake 12 treats at a time with this baking mold. Mold works with mini franks and packaged pancake mix, homemade pancakes, crescent rolls or pie dough. This silicone baking mold is oven-safe and heat-resistant up to 500 F, BPA-free. Dishwasher safe so cleanup is a breeze. Mobi Creations are designed in the USA. Mobi is about bringing fun back into the kitchen by taking a good idea and making it better with innovative kitchen tools like the Mobi Creations 12 Mini Hotdog Bites baking mold. With this fun-tastic mold, snack time is sure to be more fun when you prepare mini hotdog-shaped treats. It is easy to use and works with mini franks, store-bought or homemade pancake batter, crescent dough or pie dough. Each mold is made of high-quality BPA-free silicone which is heat-resistant up to 500 F. Dishwasher safe, cleanup is a breeze. All Mobi Creations are designed in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. So stinkin' cute. I love these cute piggies. I love to make cute desserts for parties and these were a good price. I have added it to my collection of food molds. I look forward to using it soon.